In the healing grounds of Australia lives the storied tea tree, and it's no wonder when you witness the resplendence of this land that our journey for the best tea tree brought us here to the east coast of Australia. From this beautiful land of enchanting wilderness comes now tea tree essential oil, an essential oil that is as close to nature as possible. Where the botanicals originate to create pure quality essential oils matters. Finding a quality, sustainable source is just the start of the product journey. The originality of now essential tea tree oil comes in our special botanical analytical techniques and proprietary processes to produce and distill only the highest quality, completely safe essential oils. Now never uses any synthetic ingredients or adulterants and thoroughly tests both raw materials and finished oils to ensure purity, quality, and safety for you and your family. Experience the powerful cleansing and clarifying properties of the purest, safest tea tree oil products available from Now Essential Oils, as pure and as close to nature as possible.